Yeah, I'm Mohammad Altaf and I'm from a company called Total Environment. And I am the senior manager sales there. And we are into residential projects development. We are a Bangalore-based firm, and this is our first project in Hyderabad that we are doing. We basically are architects, and we design our own projects. We build them ourselves. We do not subcontract our work to anybody, and we maintain our projects post handover for a very long period. We are a 15-year-old company based out of Bangalore, and we completed close to 20 projects in Bangalore. Pune we have done one project, and Hyderabad this is going to be our first project. And this residential development that we are doing here is called the Meadowdance, and this project is a 16-acre development where we are doing 84 earth sheltered homes. And this is a different unique concept that we are bringing to the market. An earth sheltered home is something wherein the entire roof of the house will be landscaped completely, and all the rooms in the home they open into a courtyard, so basically giving a very good connect to the nature. So we are into design first. We are a design firm, then we are real estate developers. Yeah, it's a unique concept that, as I said, it's a earth sheltered home wherein the entire roof of the house will be landscaped with the natural landscaping, and all the rooms in the house they open into a courtyard. So from every room you can actually walk into the garden. You will have the view of the garden with large French windows, and you can actually walk into the garden from every living space. And these are furnished homes which comes with all the beds, bedside tables, wardrobes and study units. And we also offer 2 fully equipped kitchens in every home. And these are customizable homes, like every customer is allowed to do the customization required. Like every family requirement will be different from others. So they can actually customize how many bedrooms they require, what kind of kitchen they need. Even the kitchen needs will be different from each other. And also, they can choose what kind of flooring they require, what kind of finishes they need. Each and every aspect of their house they can customize to their requirement. In Hyderabad, we have our project in Rajendra Nagar. Rajendra Nagar, it's very close to the Agricultural University, and it has a very good connectivity to the outer ring road and also the P.V.N. Rao Expressway. And this is a peaceful and serene location, slightly on an elevated area, from where you get a very good view of the entire city. See, these homes, they are 4,484 square feet in size, each home, and all the 84 homes are of the same size. And the plot area will be 509 square yards. And these homes, as I said, they are furnished homes, centrally air conditioned. They come with all the fixtures and fittings completely done in it. They come with a lot of customization options. And these projects, we maintain our projects for a very long period. Like this Hyderabad project, we are going to maintain it for a period of approximately 10 years.